And let's imagine that client forgot to make repayment in terms of a signed contract. His profile should be processed by a debt collection department whose work is automated by, right, collection for Creatio. Is a ready-to-use solution that provides automation of standard and unique debt collection strategies at all stages, like pre-soft, hard, legal collection. Collection for Creatio is one of the most efficient solutions for banks, MFIs, distribution, logistics, and service companies. The solution allows you to manage debt collection strategies of different customer segments at all stages. So you can set up various actions on all stages of strategy execution: short message, task, call, email, start process, chatbot message. You can choose when the stage of a strategy should be executed: 10 days overdue or by a trigger, for example. And that's how we do this inside the interface. So strategy steps templates configuration allows you to preset or reuse similar steps among different strategies with no need of configuring them from the scratch every time you need it. For example, you can configure automatic creation of a task and populate it with data of a debtor and account manager who needs to complete this task. So we just save it, and you can save it as a template and then fill from template next time you need it. You can configure results processing options for current stage and business logic of what stage should be the next based on the results of previous one. Yeah, so that's actually for the stage. And you can even customize an unlimited number of strategies, configure an unlimited number of strategies, experiment, compare the results, and choose the best. An important data generated during the strategy execution is saved in the profile, the debtor's profile. Total debt amount, debtor's recognition date, contracts, history of promises, list of strategies debtor is in, and what stage. Possibly, it is possible to save a court decision in the debtor's profile as well. It will allow you to save history of all court decisions and use them to set up strategies for working at legal collection stages. Execution of strategies based on calls to a client is automated via queues. For example, we see the soft collection strategy queue with our debtor in it. This means we have to call him and process a current task of a strategy. When we open his profile, we see that he is 10 days overdue. So we call our client and ask him about his previous promises to pay and when he is going to pay now. So promises to pay can be recorded upon dialogue with the debtor. Responsible employee can build a next dialogue with client based on the promises and repayments the client really made, not only promised. Moreover, our solution performs automatic monitoring of the fulfillment of payment promises. So now the system monitors the implementation of collection strategies for each deal and debtor. And the task of the collection department is to follow the analytics and make data-based decisions. Yeah, so I think I tried my best to do this fast. And thank you, and let's make it easy.